All right. So President Trump's arch, called the Triumphal Arch, has just been approved by a federal commission. If you look at this picture here, this is what the arch would look like. It's pretty tall. It's white. Um, it has like a statue, a mini Statue of Liberty on top, a golden one with two eagles on the side. And then it also has four little lions, also gilded with gold on the bottom here. I know you really can't see it, but that's how it would look like. Um, it would be next to Arlington National Cemetery. It'd also be pretty close to the Lincoln Memorial, and it'd be close to some other things. But um, kind of just like the ballroom last year, it's not that much of a controversial issue. But this project would use a little bit of public publicly funded money. I believe that money would be about $15 million, and the White House is trying to get that from what is it called? It's called the National Endowment for the Humanities. So some of that money is publicly funded, even though the White House initially said that they would try to get it privately funded. So we'll see how this goes, but for now, it is being approved by Trump, the Commission of Fine Arts, in which, of course, all of those members of that commission have were approved by Trump. So it's no surprise that it's being given the green light. Um, However, there is some pushback. There was a group of veterans that did sue, and are trying to block the construction because it would kind of ruin kind of the sites almost, since it's next to the Lincoln Memorial, and it could potentially ruin, it could potentially overshadow some of these other historic landmarks. So, not the most controversial topic, but who knows if it'll be successful. We know it's going to be 250 feet tall, which is pretty tall, but because America is going to be 250 years old, that's where the symbolism sort of comes in. So, interesting thing. I personally think there's a chance it won't be successful, because, as we know, the ballroom wasn't successful. A federal judge blocked it. And this is also next to like some more historical monuments, so that there could be more opposition met with it. So, well, ultimately, we'll see what happens. But yeah.